Good afternoon, everyone. And today, let me continue the objective problems on scalar triple product. Right? By today, we can complete this vector algebra, and tomorrow I am going to start the PU of three-dimensional geometry. Right? Now, write down. Few problems are there. If, write down the question, 2I bar minus j bar plus k bar. I bar plus 2j bar minus 3k bar. 3I bar plus lambda j bar plus 5k bar are coplanar. Find lambda. I am going to repeat the question. If 2I minus j plus k, right, I plus 2j minus 3k, 3I plus lambda j plus 5k are coplanar, find lambda. Yes. Three vectors are said to be coplanar if box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equals to 0, right? Three vectors are said to be coplanar means if A bar, B bar, C bar, A bar, B bar, C bar are any three vectors, those three vectors are said to be coplanar if box A, B, C is equals to 0. It means det of 2 minus 1, 1, right? 1, 2 minus 3, 3 lambda 5 is equals to 0, which implies 2 into 10 plus 3 lambda plus 1 into 5 plus 9 plus 1 into lambda minus 6 is equals to 0. I am going to repeat this step once again. Observe. 2 into, excluding this column and this row, 10 minus of minus plus 3 lambda, right? It is plus 3 lambda, minus of minus 1, it is plus 1 into, excluding this column and this row, 5 plus 9 plus 1 into lambda minus 6 is equals to 0. You try to simplify this and get lambda value. Copy this one slowly. You should get lambda is equals to minus 4. Lambda is equals to minus 4. I am going to write the next problem on the board. Copy this problem. I am going to repeat this. Three vectors A bar, B bar, C bar are said to be coplanar if the box of A bar, B bar, C bar is equals to 0. You should write, if you want, A bar, B bar, C bar is equals to 0. Second one, the volume of parallelepiped whose edges are I bar plus J bar plus K bar, I bar minus J bar, I bar plus 2J bar plus I bar plus 2J bar minus K bar. I am going to repeat this. The volume of parallelepiped whose edges are I plus J plus K, I minus J, I plus 2J minus K. This is minus, okay, not equal to. This is minus k. Now, what is the volume of parallel pipe formula? The volume of parallel pipe whose coterminous edges are A bar, B bar, C bar. The volume of parallel pipe whose coterminous edges are A bar, B bar, C bar is given by V is equals to magnitude of box ABC. That means V is equal to magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar, which implies det of, okay, 1, 1, 1, okay, 1, minus 1, 0, and 1, 2, minus 1. That means expanding this one, you are going to get 1 into 1 minus 0, minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 0 plus 1 into 2 minus of minus, it is 1. I am repeating this problem. 1 into excluding this column and this row, 1 minus 0, minus 1 into excluding this column and this row, minus 1 minus 0, plus 1 into excluding this column and this row, 2 minus of minus, it is plus 1. So copy that one and try to simplify that. You are going to get volume of parallel pipe. You should get the volume of parallel pipe V is equals to 5. The volume of parallel pipe whose, should I repeat this question once again? I am going to repeat this one, right? I request you, please turn off your video. Please turn off your video. Yes, the volume of parallel pipe whose coterminous edges are I plus j plus k. Here he has given you 3 vectors. You consider them as one is A bar, another one is B bar, another one is C bar, right? Therefore, the volume of parallel pipe whose coterminous edges, what is the meaning of coterminous edges? Means adjacent sides, right? Are given as A bar, B bar, C bar. So the volume of parallel pipe V is equals to magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar. That is modulus of box A bar, B bar, C bar is the answer. See, you find the determinant of that one, you are going to do that, right? And see this problem. If the volume of parallel pipe whose edges are 1x x square and 1 comma 1 1 minus 1 1 minus 1 1 is 4 then find x. That means you should write it as cubic units, right? 4 cubic units, then find x. So you just take the determinant of that one, you are going to get the answer. That means and equate it to 4. Find the determinant of the given and equate it to and equate it to 4, you are going to get the answer. Means, what I mean to say it is, det of what has been given to you, magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar is equals to 4. Means det of 1 x square, right? 1 minus 1 minus 1 is equals to, right, 4. Simplify this one, means 1 into 1 minus 1, right, minus x into 1 plus 1 plus x square into minus 1 is equals to 4. Now simplify this, you are going to get minus 2x square is equals to 4, and try to get the answer, right? I am going to repeat this step. 1 into 1 minus 1 minus x into 1 plus 1 plus x square into minus 1 minus 1. Now simplify this, you are going to get that. And you should get x value as x value is equals to minus 1 or 2. That means 2 value. Why? Because this is quadratic equation. X is equal to minus 1 comma 2. Yes, copy this. And next one, the volume of tetrahedron. The volume of tetrahedron whose edges are 1 comma minus 1 1 minus 1, okay, and 1a 1 comma a comma 1 1 comma a comma 1 and 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 1 comma 2 comma minus 1 is a by 6 cubic units. Then find small a. Then find small a. The volume of tetrahedron with edges 1 minus 1 1 a 1 1 2 minus 1 is a by 6. Then find a. See what is the volume of tetrahedron? Observe, this is called tetrahedron. Right? The volume of this tetrahedron is given by V is equals to 1 by 6 into magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar. That means it will be, the volume will be 1/6 of the parallelogram, 1/6 of the parallel pipe. The volume of tetrahedron will be 1/6 of volume of parallel pipe. So it becomes 1 by 6 into magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar. So here you are going to get 1 by 6 into det of 1, 1 minus 1, 1 A 1, 1 2 minus 1 is equals to A by 6. Both sides 6 get cancelled, right? You are going to get 1 into minus A minus 2, right? Minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, right? Minus 1 into 2 minus A is equals to A. I am going to repeat this problem. Observe this one carefully. Both sides 6 get cancelled. 1 into excluding this column and this row minus A minus 2 minus 1 into excluding this column and this row minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 into excluding this column and this row 2 minus A is equals to A. Now try to simplify that one to get A value. To get A value, you should get A is equal to 2. You should get A value is equals to 2. I am going to repeat this problem once again. Observe this one. The volume of tetrahedron whose edges are A bar, B bar, C bar is given by 1/6 of box ABC. So 1/6 into box ABC value is equals to delta of 1 1 minus 1 1 A1. That means 1 2 minus 1, which is equals to A by 6 has been given to you, right? Now both sides 6 will get cancelled, and you are going to get after expanding the determinant, you are going to get A value is equals to 2. In your examination, you will have options there, but because we can't write each and every option on the board, okay, in your material you will have the options. You can pick up one option, okay, and substitute in this one. There is no need to solve. There is no need to solve this entire. If you substitute for A is equals to 2, if you got the right hand side, that will be the answer, right? Copy that one slowly. Yes. Observe this one. He asked you to find out the volume of tetrahedron whose edges are 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1, right? Same synopsis we can follow. You consider the first one as A bar is equals to I plus J plus K, B bar is equals to I minus J plus K, C bar is equals to I plus 2J minus K if you want. Otherwise, directly, as this is objective, you can do it directly. Volume of tetrahedron V is equals to 1/6 into magnitude of box ABC, right? That means V is equals to 1/6 into delta of, this is a solution which I am writing here, 1 1 1 1 minus 1 1 1 2 minus 1. Expanding this determinant, we are going to get 1 into 1 minus 2, right? Minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, right? Plus 1 into 2 minus of minus, which is equals to 3, right? I am going to repeat this once again. Observe this one carefully. 1 into minus of minus into minus, it becomes positive, right? 1 minus 2 AD minus BC minus 1 into excluding this column and this row minus 1 again plus 1 into excluding this column and this row 2 minus minus of minus, which is equals to plus. It is 3, right? Now this becomes -1, and here it is -2 minus that is it is plus 2 here, right? Plus 3. Simplifying this, you are going to get the answer. It is 2/3. I am going to repeat this problem once again. He asked you to find out the volume of tetrahedron whose coterminous edges are A bar, B bar, C bar. The volume of tetrahedron whose edges are A bar, B bar, C bar is given by 1/6 of volume of parallelepiped. That is 1/6 into magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar, which is equal to 1/6 into det of 1, 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1, 2 minus 1, right? If you simplify this, you are going to get the answer of 2/3, right? Copy this one. I hope you understood that. If the vertices of tetrahedron are null vector, comma, I bar plus J bar, comma, 2I bar minus K bar, 2I bar minus K bar, or sorry, 2J bar minus K bar, right? 2J bar minus K bar, and I bar plus K bar, and I bar plus K bar, then its volume is equals to null vector I bar plus J bar 2J minus K and I plus K. Then the volume of tetrahedron he asked you to find out the volume of tetrahedron whose vertices have been given to you. So what is the difference between previous problem and this one? What is the difference between previous problem and this one? In our previous problem, it has been given, that means three sides or three edges have been given to you, right? A bar, B bar, C bar. But here, see what is the tetrahedron? I am drawing this one. Once again, this is capital A, B, C, and D are four vertices of tetrahedron, right? He has given you four vertices now. What to do? In the previous problem, he has given you only three. You considered as A bar, one is A bar, another one is B bar, another one is C bar, right? Now, he has given you four. What to do? You should consider one as OA bar, OB bar, OC bar, OD bar. Each and every point in the space is a position vector to itself, right? That means capital A can be considered as OA bar, capital B can be considered as OB bar, capital C as OC, capital D as OD bar, right? That means you should consider them as generally OA. OA is nothing but 0, 0, 0. Okay, it is fixed. Let me consider this is O. Okay, this is O, A, B, C. O, A, B, C. Better. One is origin, right? 0, 0, 0, OA bar, right? Sorry, origin O and A is equals to OA, I plus 1 comma 0. B is equals to 0 comma 2 comma minus 1. C is equals to 1 comma 0 comma 1. If you consider like that, you are going to get, okay, I'm going to do like this. Observe. Origin, you got capital A is equals to 1 comma 1 comma 0, right? And B, you consider this one as 0 comma 2 comma minus 1. C is equals to 1 1 0. Sorry, 1 0 1. Okay, I hope you understood. Now find out AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. That means OA bar, AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. After that, you are going to get. You consider this one as initial point, fixed point, na? AB, AC, AD. That means OA, OB, OC. You find out OA bar, OB bar, OC bar. You find out OA bar. Obviously, OA bar is equals to 1 1 0, right? OB bar, which is equals to 0 2 minus 1, right? And OC bar, which is equals to 1 0 1. Now AB, what it is? V is equal to 1 by 6 into 1 1 0 0 2 minus 1 1 0 1. Simplify this one, you are going to get the answer. I am going to repeat the process how to find out volume of tetrahedron if 4 vertices have been given to you. Now see here, once again I am going to repeat. If 3 points are 3 edges have been given to you, then volume of tetrahedron, if A bar, B bar, C bar given to you, then volume of tetrahedron is equal to 1 by 6 into magnitude of box A bar, B bar, C bar, right? Okay. And the second one, if capital A, B, C, D are vertices of tetrahedron, then volume V is given by 1 by 6 into magnitude of box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. What is the inner meaning of it? We are going to convert 4 vertices as 3 points like A bar, B bar, C bar, and we are going to do using 1 by 6 into box ABC. So observe this one. A, B, C, D are the vertices of tetrahedron like this. A, B, C, D are the vertices of tetrahedron. Then its volume is given by AB 1 by 6 of. We are going to convert into 3 like A bar, B bar, and C bar, right? So it becomes AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. 1 by 6 into box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. Understood? So like that you should do. Similarly, here 4 points, I am going to repeat this once again. Here 4 points are 4 vertices have been given to you. Of course, one is fortunately origin. So 0 0 0, right? This is O, that is A, that is B, and that is C. So you should convert them into 3 like OA, OB, OC. See, 1 by 6 into delta OA, OB, OC. You are going to get the answer of this one. Take down, copy. You expand this determinant, you get the answer. And it is better to write down the note here. Take down one note after writing that one. If A bar, B bar, C bar are edges, then volume of tetrahedron V is equal to, if A, B, C, D are vertices, then volume of tetrahedron V is equals to 1 by 6 of box AB bar, AC bar, AD bar. I hope you understood the concept of tetrahedron. Yes. Copy this problem and also this note. Okay. Next problem. Copy that note, both 2 points. The volume of parallel pipe with edges A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar, A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar, A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar minus C bar is K times of box ABC, then find K. I am going to repeat this question once again. Observe, I hope it is visible to you all. The volume of parallel pipe with edges, the volume of parallel pipe with edges A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar, A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar, A bar minus B bar, A bar minus B bar minus C bar is K times of box ABC, then mod K is equals to, given question is mod K, I have written K there, you should adjust that one as mod K is equals to. Yes, I hope you can do this problem. Why? Because in the answer it has given you K times of box ABC means yesterday we have done one problem by taking the synapses of L bar, M bar, N bar outside. So in the answer it is K times of box ABC means you should take box ABC outside and you should find the determinant. You come and start doing that problem. I will discuss that on the board. Equals to V is equal to 1 by 6 times, okay, sorry, det of, right? See here, this entire is A bar plus 2B bar plus 3C bar, A bar plus 2B bar minus C bar. So V is equals to box A bar, B bar, C bar into det of 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1. Okay. Now, if you simplify this and compare with K, you are going to get mod K value. Do it. V is equals to box A bar, B bar, C bar into det of, instead of det I am going to write 1 minus 0 minus 2 into minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. I am going to repeat this once again. Observe, 1 into, excluding this column and this row, 1 minus 0 minus 2 into, excluding this column and this row, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1 into, excluding this column and this row, minus 1 plus 1. Simplify this, you are going to get the answer. Okay. You should get K value as 3. Copy this one. I am going to repeat this problem once again. Observe this. The volume of parallelepiped with coterminous edges given to you as K into box ABC, right? And find mod K, he asked you, right? V is equals to, you take box ABC outside and det of 1, 2, minus 1, 1, minus 1, 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1. If you expand the determinant, you are going to get K value is equals to 3, right? Now, by this, I have completed vector algebra with objective, both, that means vectors, vector addition, dot product, cross product, and scalar product. Okay. Tomorrow, I am going to start new chapter called three-dimensional geometry, and I insist you, that means you inform your friends to be regular to the classroom, where the three-dimensional geometry chapter is very easy to you. Okay. Thank you, one and all.